Welcome to WebStylePress. Let's say we have an element like a button in ReactJS. How can we use multiple classes for this button while toggling additional classes for it? How to manage and handle multiple conditional classes for an element in ReactJS. Let's apply multiple classes on this button from everywhere. It will receive a few classes from parent component and a few classes will be applied from this component. This is our app containing one button, app.js. We're importing button from button.jsx. This is button.jsx component. Here this button component is being called. For button.jsx, we're importing use state from React. Then we have defined a state, btn state. It is false. It can be toggled by using this handle click function applied as event handler on click of a button. If we click at this button, handle click will change the state. If it is true, it will be false. If it is false, it will be true. And then for class name, we are applying active class. If btn state is true, this active class is being applied. Inspect. This is the button. Click, active class is being applied. Okay, now how to manage multiple classes here for single element in ReactJS. Button will receive two classes from parent component. So one is CS1, values class 1. Second class can be value from a variable, dynamic class. Its value is class 2. And this is CS2, and here is this value class 2 will be passed. Now we will get these props CS1 and CS2 in button.jsx here. CS1 and CS2. Now how to call these classes here for this button? One way is to join these classes. CS1, CS2 dot join. Join array method. We are joining these classes by using a separator, space, save, and we've got class 1 and class 2 being applied here. But this may not be developer friendly. We can use template literal by using backticks, CS1 and then CS2. Save, class 1 and class 2. Let's add a static class here as well. btn. Save, btn class 1, class 2. Let's have a third additional class here, conditional class. If I click at this button, it is changing state. If state is true, we are applying active class. Here is class C3. If btn state is true, we need active text as class name, CS3, and here is CS3. So if I click at this button now, btn class 1, class 2, click, and here active was added, active class added, and now it was removed. We could have used this ternary operator directly here as well. Save, and see active class is still being toggled. But let's just use CS3, this one. Now we have one static class, two classes from parent component, and one conditional class from this component. And this is all working. But we can apply an even more better solution. There's a package to handle multiple classes easily, that is class names. At npm search for class names, this is the package. This is basically a simple JavaScript utility for conditionally joining class names together. I've installed it already. You can install it by using npm I class names command. See, I have it already. Okay, after installation, import class names package with any name. Declare a variable my class names. Use the package to list class names in here. Here we are using this class names package. So first, let's add static classes and props. We have got a static class btn, this one that we'll add here. Then we have got cs1 and we have got cs2. And now just use this one variable instead of all of these classes. And I'm getting back to this cs3 in a minute. I'm commenting this cs3 and using this one variable here to get our classes btn, cs1, cs2, save. And we have got btn class 1, class 2. To add this, comma, and then this object, add active class if btn state is true. Save. See, this active is being applied here. So we don't need this here anymore. By using this one variable, now we've got all the classes here. Classes from props, static class, and class from the state, conditional class. Let's add another conditional class here. For example, let's say let cs4 equals 1. So if cs4 equals 1, we will show another class here. Class 1, class 2, and here class 4 will be added if cs4 equals 1. If this is true, otherwise don't show the class. So if cs4 equals 1, true, then show this class here. Otherwise don't. So this is one condition and this is another condition, and cs4 equals 1, save. And we have got this class, class 4 here. Class 1, class 2, class 4, and active. And let's say if I make it 2, save, class 4 is gone. 1, class 4 has been applied again. This package, class names, it can take static text, variables, conditions, conditional classes, and more. Classes can come from anywhere and can be static or result of something or from state. We can manage those all easily by using these methods, whichever you choose, by applying ternary operator directly here, by using join method, array join method, or by using template literals like this, or just use this class names package to manage all these classes like this. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.